Hello, Joanna. What are you going to do on the weekend?
Hello, Alonso. Very good, thank you. This is weekend I had planning to go with my husband to Cartagena. And what are you planning to do?
I'm going to travel to Santa Marta. It is a beautiful city. I'm going to travel on Friday night. The flights are cheaper and we'll be able to enjoy the whole weekend. And how are you going to travel?
I plan to travel by car. Where do you plan to study?
I think about going to the house of some family members. I have not visited them for a long time. The house is small but cozy. And where are you going to stay?
We have planning to visit the Wallen Theory and go dancing at night. What do you plan to do?
I'm going to enjoy the beach. They are beautiful. I also go to tourist sites such as Tayrona by cruise. I'm going to swim the Crystal Beach. It will be a very short weekend to enjoy this city. And where are you going to eat?
We are going to eat in a safe home restaurant. What are you going to eat?
I'm going to eat seafood, fried fish, shrimp. I am going to enjoy refreshing drinks like Coco Loco, but I will not stop going to eat the rice with coconut.
We Alonso enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.